Peanut gallery. The phrase peanut gallery originated in the early 20th century American vaudeville and movie theaters. It described the cheapest seats, often in the balcony, where the working class typically sat. Peanuts were the cheapest snack at the theater and a favorite among this audience. These audience members sometimes gained a reputation for being rude and prone to heckling performers or even throwing peanuts at the stage. Today, the peanut gallery refers to any group of people who offer unwanted or uninformed commentary, especially in a disruptive manner. Using the phrase peanut gallery suggests the speaker believes the comments or criticism are unwelcome, irrelevant, or lack of understanding of the situation. Imagine your YouTuber friend receives unfair hate comments. You could say, "Don't let the peanut gallery get you down. There will always be online trolls, especially when you put yourself out there like you do." In this case, you're calming your friend down by comparing negative commentators to the uneducated public who sat in the cheap peanut gallery seats. Example 2. Imagine you are in a classroom and a few students in the back start whispering and giggling. Teacher: "It seems the peanut gallery in the back has something to share with the class. Would you mind enlightening everyone on what's so funny?" The teacher uses peanut gallery jokingly, hoping to embarrass them and get them to stop the disruptive whispering. In conclusion, peanut gallery can refer to an inappropriate audience or a group offering irrelevant criticism. It can also be used more playfully. With this knowledge, the next time you hear peanut gallery, you'll understand its meaning.